The code H2907 in Bobcat machines means high flow solenoid open circuit. This refers to the optional high flow pump in the hydraulic system that you may or may not have in your machine. And if you have it, in most cases the problem is with the solenoid itself. It's probably broken and requires replacement. Fortunately, the high flow solenoids are not that expensive. But before you buy one, it makes sense to inspect the connector and also wiring as far as you can, track it down, because sometimes the problem is with a broken wire or a corroded pin in the connector. But things become even more interesting when people get this H2907 code and they don't have the high flow equipment in their Bobcats. When the machine is bought new, you can eliminate the high flow pump option and get just the low flow equipment, which will make your machines $2,500 cheaper. So if you still get this code, in this case it's caused by the connector of the high flow solenoid that is still there in your machine. It's a pain to locate it, but usually owners can find those connectors without professional help. When they are affected by water or mud, they will be shorted and you will see the H2907 code. Usually cleaning the connector with contact cleaner and then isolating it with something helps you get rid of the code. Also, in machines without high flow hydraulics, this code usually doesn't change anything, so the machine will keep working and you may ignore the error, but it's annoying, so it's a good idea to find that connector and fix it.